Hello everyone. Today we are on Saturday. I wasn't planning to work, but I saw a video that showed a promise. The promise was make new website that have a good or great UI and that isn't AI slop. So I decided to take a look at it, and it's a great way to make quick website with a nice UI. It's called Website Builder Setup on GitHub, and it's very easy to install. It's just one line, that you drop into Cloud Code, for example. It's a skill that will use three parts. So it will use the UI UX Pro Max. And so this part will allow you to make great UI and UX, and it uses Framer, which is great to create animations, and it also uses 21st Dev Magic, which is a service that will allow you to have all the components from React and so on. I wanted to make a site for my training service for small and medium companies in France. So I asked it, okay, I want this website, this landing page. I want people to see this and this in the site. Prompt was 3 lines. And I had this in the end. Look at this. It opens. It has animations and so on. It's very fluid. It has lots of beautiful elements. It's all very well structured. So there are lots of pictures of me, but anyway, a few quirks here and there. Look, I've just provided a folder with some pictures of the app I made, and it created those nice views with like a gallery and so on. And it did that with one prompt to create the site and one prompt to just do small edits and stuff. Here I have the work experiences, and there people can send me a message. So I found this to be very good. And look at the top bar. There is a slight transparency color fuse thing, and also a scroll bar at the top with a fluid system for the scroll bar. I love that. So I found it cool. I made another one, which is for an app I'm working on. It's an app that made podcasts from your daily feed on X, and basically it's the same stuff. So I provided just a few captures for my app, and it was able to do that. And so you have animation there with all the personas, the AI personas that will make the podcast alive, and you got a lot of small animations everywhere. And what is great, I just told it, okay, here is my repo for this app. I want you to match all the graphic theme and so on. And it applied the same kind of animation and color scheme that I'm using in the app. And look, I made the 4 very bad capture of the app, and it made a cool display and animation. I love that. It has like a flow. It still fails sometimes. As you can see here, the colors aren't right for this kind of color scheme. But anyway, pretty good in the end. Just tell me what you think about it. Give it a try, experiment, and let me know what you think.